In our schools, paperwork was piling up, making things tough. Getting benefits was slow. It felt like paperwork was holding things back. Behind the scenes, all that paperwork made it hard for our schools to plan and make decisions. It wasn't just paperwork, it was affecting how teachers felt about their work. But then came ODAP, a smart solution to make things simpler and faster. This is the ODAP story, a new way for our schools, making things better for everyone. This innovation aims to provide an online database for administrative personnel, helps the administrative and accounting office of the District of Valladolid provide an up-to-date and accessible platform for administrative functions. The significance of ODAP. Processing accuracy. ODAP ensures a 100% accuracy rate in the processing of benefits and claims. Time efficiency. The queuing system results in a prompt service delivery, reducing processing time by 50%. User satisfaction. Feedback from non-teaching staff indicates a 100% positive rating for ODAP's accessibility and efficiency. Time efficiency. A focus group discussion reveals a 100% increase in educator satisfaction and moral post ODAP implementation. Stakeholders' involvement. Real-time reporting facilitates a 100% improvement in stakeholders' collaboration and decision-making. Time efficiency. ODAP's blueprint for large-scale data management demonstrates scalability with 2 districts and 16 personnel. Primary features include STEP and loyalty. Now, with the addition of automated service record. Let's listen to the feedback from the Valladolid National Office.
Good morning! Ay, good day. Sige na yung burn mo na eh. Iya ko bala kaya nagka-years na po. Wow! Pero pinaka namin pag-ibig guys. Kay on time mga na loyalty. Wow! 10,000. Sino nag-report sa'yo? Siyempre, wala pa kayo nagka-years. In-update ako yung nasa malam niya. Pero true, hindi ito totoo din. Sabi pa, ano, sa requirement, para pagkatatak sa hapon ng May 15, sulo tayo ako na budget. Wow! Subukan nila ito,
Hello, I'm Grace Denansha, a senior high school teacher, and I'd like everybody to know that when it comes to our service record and step implement, it is all updated, and our benefits were given on time. And thank you, and I would like to thank the UDAP.
So, how did the innovation help with your operation, sir?
Bali, tapos lang gid namin innovation phase lang. Just because nga ang pag-innovate ito nag-upgrade yaw ang among operation. It is nga kung sa una na bayan kami ubra sa among for example sa mga service records kay na ano kami na ano pa gali ma daw do dinumaan bala na klase ubra kung subong do ano nga gin ano niyan gin upgrade ya kag daw gin study yan kay kung para mahapos sa amon. So daw nagdasig-dasig ang ubra namon. So bali daw kung maubra namon siya sa isa ka adlaw, maybe 1 hour to 2 hours lang tapos ng obra bago na sa iyang innovation.
Thank you, sir.
Record keeping has always been a hassle for me. There's also a possibility that the manual record could get destroyed or lost. It would also take time to update records manually. Some of it may be obsolete. But with ADAP, I have lessened the time log and smoothly systematized my job and lessened the workload of doing things manually.
ODAP is easy to navigate and help me systematize the processing and management of data. I was able to identify the backlogs and needs to be addressed.
Step increment? Check! Updated service record? Check! Servisyong tuo at alerto? Check! Thank you, Adam.
Thank you, Adam.
Faculty and staff are at the core of our manpower in delivering quality education. That is why we need to give back service to them with the benefits and career growth that they deserve.